Peter, seeing him, said to Jesus, "But Lord, what about this man?" Jesus said to him, "If I will that he remains till I come, what is it to you? Follow me." So Petrus het vinnig rondgekyk toe Jesus gepraat het. Jesus praat met hom en hy sê, "Ja, maar wat van daai ene? Doen ons nie op dit nie? Ja, maar Here, wat van daai ene? Het jy dit gesien? Het jy daai gehoor? Wat van daai ene?" En Jesus sê, "Nee, wat het dit met jou te doen? Jy, volg my." Right? Ons is baie keer 'n bietjie busybodies, interfere in alles wat niks met ons te doen het nie. Ons kan ook nie ons roeping met 'n ander vergelyk, of onsself te probeer vergelyk met iemand anders, en die roeping wat God op hulle lewe gesit het nie. Jou roeping is uniek tot jou. Niemand kan jy soos jy nie. God het jou uniek geroep. I think it was Theodore Roosevelt that said, "Comparison is the thief of joy." We have to go about our Father's business as He called us. How we call somebody else got nothing to do with us. It will impact us wonderfully, but our focus is on how God called us, not prescribing to God about everybody else that's around us. Each of our callings are unique according to how He created you, but the real power lies in the unity in our diversity. We don't have to be photocopies of each other. Together we can. Focusing on what gifts, talents, and calling someone else has will surely withhold you from pushing on and moving forward. It will steal your joy. Walking in your own anointing flows effortlessly, but you try and walk in somebody else's anointing. It's hard. So here's some wise words to counteract your thoughts if you feel inferior. Ralph Waldo Emerson said, "What lies behind you and what lies in front of you pales in comparison to what lies inside you."